Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to add multiple answers at once into Google Form. So let's start. First of all, you can see here I'm in Google Forms. Now I'll choose one blank form, and over here you can see I'm here in Google Forms. I'll name this form as Travel Survey. Then you can see here this is my travel survey. Now what I'll do is I'll add one question as which of 50 states have you visited? And question mark. You can see here, here's my question as which of 50 states have you visited? Yes, it's a multiple choice question. It's correct that it's a multiple choice question. Now, if I write answer one by one, it takes a lot of time. Now, I'll go to ChatGPT and here you can see I have given one prompt as all states of US. Now here are all 50 states of US. Then all we need to do is just copy them and paste over here. Just paste. You can see here, I'll delete the rest. Okay, you can see here all the states of US are listed. To insert these multiple answers, you need to be careful that all your answers are in separate line. As of this, you can see here this all 50 states are on separate lines. Now when I'll go to this preview, you can see here is multiple choice question. But one may have visited more than one state. So now I will change these, choose these check boxes. And next preview. You can see here, I can choose multiple from here now. Same goes for drop down. You can see here we can choose. So in this way we can insert multiple answers in Google Form in just one click. So if you find this helpful, please like, share and subscribe.